Hi, good morning, everybody. This recording is for the 15th and 16th of September. So we're in Google Classroom. Make sure you don't click on these assignments and just try to complete them blind without going through the learning process. So make sure you click on your class. And again, don't just click on the assignments. We need to click on Classwork. We're going to scroll down to the 15th and 16th. We're going to work through these in order, completing them in order. Complete the warm-up and attendance. So let's scroll back up. Here's our daily warm-up. So you're going to want to complete this warm-up slide. Once you've completed this warm-up, explain why this statement is true. You are going to type your answer in the attendance slide. So we're going to come to the attendance. You'll open, put your first and last name in your answer. Then you'll come back over and let's take a look at what we're going to do today. We're going to explore those wavelengths of light and how they're used to study stars, and we're going to interpret that electromagnetic spectrum. So make sure you've completed that warm-up in attendance and submitted. Also, make sure your number 4 from our last class meeting of September 11th and 14th is turned in. That's everyday waves. You had to give 5 examples of electromagnetic waves that you use daily in your life, and that you've submitted your astronomy test review. I will get both of that astronomy test review returned back to you so you'll have it to study. We're going to do an Edpuzzle video today, do a very quick Pear Deck notes, and then you've got a rainbow photo that's going to be due actually next Monday after your test day, but it is going to count as a quiz day because that's exploring those different wavelengths of light. So for your homework, don't forget to study for your astronomy test, which is our next class period. Let's take a look at how to study for a test slide. So the next slide is how to study for a test. Doing that review sheet is just the first step. Then I want you to choose 3 more things from this list. So first of all, you have 2 STEMscopedias that are in Launchpad, that little pink folder that says Science, STEMscopes. And it's the readings that we did at the beginning of the unit. One is on characteristics of the universe, and I did add the electromagnetic spectrum piece. You can also read and quiz yourself on all notes in your journal. So you should have your journal. And you've got that astronomy fold, astronomy triangle fold, everything after that astronomy triangle fold. If you've kept up with your notes like you're supposed to in class, you can read instead and quiz yourself there. Reread any notes posted in Google Classroom beginning on August 31st. That's when we started our astronomy unit. And all those interactive notebook pieces, those are notes for this topic. And then you can also look back at the Pear Deck takeaways. So when we do those Pear Decks, and I've been lecturing, asking questions, again, there's some nice images. I post those takeaways, and those are also in your Google Classroom that you can go back and look at those. Quick review, these are these important vocabulary words that are key for this unit. So you need to make sure you know these words inside and out. Okay, let's get back to Google Classroom. Scroll down to today's date. We've done our warm-up and attendance. You're going to quickly watch this Edpuzzle. There's 3 questions to answer. I've already assigned you based on your class period, so you should be in there. Electromagnetic Pear Deck. We're going to do a quick Pear Deck for those of you who are not in class live. I am going to put the link after the classes for you to do it asynchronously, so you'll have that information. Directions. This is that cool photo lesson that's going to be due on next Monday, the 21st. So it is a quiz grade. So when you click and open, we've got the directions here. It's called Roy G. Biv. That's the colors of the rainbow science photo. You're going to use a flashlight or even your cell phone light, and you're going to get artsy and be creative. These are the 4 parts that need to be in there, so it should be an easy quiz grade, but if you blow this off, each part's 25 points, so it can also lower it pretty easily. Here's kind of what a final product might look like. Ta-da! This is Mrs. Robinson's Raleigh. So it's Rainbow Raleigh Dog. Wavelengths of visible light are scaring her dog there. So she has a title and an explanation here. She made sure that the photo was correctly done, that she had wavelengths of visible light are clear, that you can see all the rainbow lights. And she was creative with her dog, and obviously there's neatness and effort because she changed the background color of the slide. So the other slides in this program just talk about if it's not really dark, you're not going to see all of this, but you're going to use a CD. So you can get an old DVD or an old CD and you will angle it and you will shine a flashlight on it. Get in a dark room and this is what you would be able to see. And then you could get artsy. Here's some trendy examples there, and here's the CD with the light. It might take an extra pair of hands, so you might need a brother, sister, or your mom or dad to help you. Here's some more trendy examples, but you are not allowed to use any of those outside apps that just do that for you. You need to make sure that you're using a CD and a flashlight. And then this would be the end product. So if we go back to Google Classroom, here's a couple of cool rainbow websites that could also help you here so that you could get some extra information. And then if you look, this is the actual slide that you're going to use. So when you open this, it opens your own copy of a slide and you're able to put your pictures just like Mrs. Robinson's Rainbow Raleigh. And last but not least, here's that study guide that needs to be turned in this class. I've got 18 turned in, 16 still assigned. Remember, I'm asking that you change the color of that font for your answers so that we see all that. Okay, I hope you have a great day. Remember, we have tutoring every morning from 8 to 8:20 and in the afternoon from 2 to 3. Bye-bye.